Hey, what's up guys? Dr. M3 here. Welcome back to the channel. If you watched the last video, my Performante was broken. It is finally back. It's fixed. I'm actually very happy. And so, hey, yeah, what can you do? They had to send to the factory to get some stuff. It got here, it got lost. But I gotta tell you, the folks down at Lamborghini Sterling were unbelievable. They did an incredible job, timely, got the car back, and frankly, I am pretty happy. So I'm out in the Aventador, as you can see, and I'm gonna go out, just kind of break the quarantine here just a little bit. Still social distancing, and just trying to show you what's going on. Here's some footage first of the Performante coming home. And yes, guys, it's finally returned, so it's all done.
I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Alright guys, so I want to find out from you guys, what are you doing during this quarantine? It's been pretty busy, crazy. A lot of people are sitting at home, but occasionally you can go out for a little while. And so I'm just curious what you guys have been up to. So we took a bunch of the cars out just to breathe a little bit. You know, it's been sort of that crazy time. So we have actually 4 Aventadors. This white Aventador S, my Anniversario. There is Travis Scott's Pirelli edition Aventador. And then we have another new Aventador, 2015, that just joined the team. It's got a DMC wing, crazy exhaust. GT500, obviously R8 V10, Corvette convertible, which is freaking awesome. I'm going to show you that. This Huracan actually has gold wheels. That's not a natural color, a normal color from Lamborghini, but it's obviously been redone. A 12C, which is awesome. And check this out. This is an unusual color of the 720S. You don't really see that color very often on a McLaren, but it's pretty cool. But let me show you this car, because this car literally just got delivered to one of our team members last week, actually. So it's pretty awesome looking. It's got that orange stripe down the center. It's got DMC carbon fiber splitter, side canards. It's got a rear diffuser. It's just ridiculous, to be honest. So yeah, let me walk around these cars and show you. We're just out kind of blowing some steam off, sort of social distancing as well. Still trying to get some semblance of a normal life despite the craziness that's going on in the world. But I thought I'd just show you a couple of these quick things. Quick video, no big deal. Here we go. All right.
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it standing side by side.
guys, we're gonna call it quits here. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and TikTok as well. We're out. See you later.
If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming to fight. I swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
This thing has got such a crazy exhaust.